actor Naga Chaitanya will be seen headlining filmmaker Venkat Prabhu's upcoming bilingual film. The untitled film, which will be the actor's 22nd project, will be in Tamil and Telugu. With this project, Naga Chaitanya is marking his debut in Tamil cinema. Interestingly, Venkat Prabhu will make his foray into the Telugu industry with this bilingual. Talking about the film, Venkat Prabhu said, "I am aware of Naga Chaitanya's strengths and sensibilities of Telugu audiences, and hence I have prepared a winning script for the movie. It is an out-and-out commercial entertainer. The film will not only have many noted actors but also have signed some popular technicians who will take care of different crafts." Touted as a commercial entertainer, the film will be produced by Srinivasa Chitturi and presented by Pawan Kumar.